Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Jamaica's Sunshine Girls were beaten 70-45 by New Zealand's Silver Ferns in the first of their two test matches for the Tiny Jameson Trophy in Auckland earlier this morning. With US visa issues prior to the trip, the severely depleted Sunshine Girls used only 7 players for the 60-minute contest and trailed throughout at the Event Finda Stadium. Now, the Jamaicans were down 36-20 at half-time before producing their best scoring effort of 13 goals in the third quarter, but still languished behind at 54-33. The girls put up stout resistance in the fourth as they lost out 16-12 for the overall 70-45 defeat. Goal shooter Shimona Nelson had an 87% shooting accuracy with 36 goals from 41 attempts, while Giselle Allison had 19 from 14. Grace Nwiki poured in 59 goals from 63 attempts for the Silver Ferns. The second and final test takes place on Thursday morning, Jamaica time. ISSA President Keith Wellington has admitted that high school sports governing body has taken note of the level of indiscipline in the ongoing schoolboy football competitions thus far. A combined 8 players were suspended from Pepin and Camperdown High following an ill-tempered match last Friday, which saw 5 red cards being issued. 2 players from Camperdown, Daquan Brown and Marquise Bailey, and 2 from Pepin High, Jahail Forbes and Nasharda Tyrrell, were handed 3-match bans for their roles in the incidents. Additionally, Camperdown's Dante Thompson and Nashawn Miller, as well as Pepin's Jabari Goldson and Jamel Johnson, were given 2-match suspensions.
We have taken very strong action. I got the report this morning. I think we have 170 yellow cards and 12 red cards so far after just over less than 2 weeks into the competition. And so we have taken a look at it, and we have spoken strongly to those who are directly involved.
Wellington, who was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Tuesday, also said ISSA has gone a step further than just handing down the suspensions.
We are speaking with our principals about, making the effort to not just have the students sit out these games, but to offer counseling and guidance where anger management and conflict resolution is concerned, because it is something that is not, as you said, not restricted to schoolboy football.
Now, defending champions Kingston College will look to make it 3 wins from as many matches in the ISSA Manning Cup today when they take on Meadowbrook at the Stadium East Complex at 3:30. In the other Group A matches, there will be unbeaten St. George's College opposing Waterford at home and Calabar at home to Ardennes High. Now, there are 4 other matches down to be contested on the day, including former champions Jamaica College against Holy Trinity and St. Andrew Technical welcoming Jonathan Grant. Over in the rural area of the Costa Cup, 16 matches are scheduled across 8 zones. And that's it for your midday sports report. Ashane?